If you're looking to send personalized emails at scale with CRM automation, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you can reach your audience efficiently and effectively. Stick around until the end because I've got a special offer for a free trial of our recommended software, exclusive to viewers of this channel. Let's get started. First, why use CRM automation for personalized emails? Well, you want to engage your audience on a personal level without spending hours manually sending each email. With the right software, you can automate this process and still deliver personalized messages tailored to your audience. Now, the first step is to choose the right CRM software. This is crucial. The software we're using today allows you to segment your audience based on key data like demographics, purchase behavior, or engagement level. You need to have this kind of segmentation to send truly personalized emails. Without it, your messages might feel generic, and you'll miss out on the effectiveness of automation. Once you've chosen your CRM software, you'll want to import your contacts. Most CRMs make this step easy, letting you upload your contacts directly or integrate with other platforms you might be using. Make sure your data is organized and clean because the more accurate your data is, the more personalized your emails will be. Next, you'll create your email template. With CRM automation, you can set up a template that includes dynamic fields, things like the recipient's name, recent interactions, or products they've shown interest in. This step is key because it adds the personal touch that makes an email feel like it was written just for them, even though it's automated. Then it's time to set up your automation workflow. In your CRM, you'll typically have an option to create a campaign or an automation. You'll define triggers for when your email should go out, like when someone subscribes to your list or abandons a cart. From there, the software takes over, sending personalized emails at the right time without you having to lift a finger. Once your campaign is set up, don't forget to test it. Send a few test emails to yourself or colleagues to make sure everything looks good. Ensure that the personalization tags are working properly and that the emails are being sent according to the rules you've set up. Testing is a crucial step before your campaign goes live. Now, let's talk about monitoring. Even though the emails are automated, you still need to track performance. Your CRM software should give you detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. Use this data to tweak your campaigns and improve future emails. Automation doesn't mean hands-off entirely. It means you can work smarter, not harder. Finally, here's a key takeaway. Personalization is everything when it comes to email marketing. And with CRM automation, you can scale your efforts without sacrificing that personal touch. It's all about using the right tools to organize and segment your contacts, set up dynamic email templates, and automate the sending process based on triggers. To quickly recap, you'll need to 1. Choose the right CRM software for segmentation and personalization. 2. Import and organize your contacts. 3. Create personalized email templates using dynamic fields. 4. Set up automated workflows and define triggers. 5. Test everything to ensure it's working as expected. 6. Monitor your campaigns and adjust based on performance. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below. You can follow along and see how it works for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.